So yes, no, big up. Today I'm starting my Unistrut roof rack. So I've seen a few on YouTube make this roof rack, and it's only going to be for solar panels, that kind of stuff, so don't need it to be mega strong, even though it looks like it's going to be. Turning painting it. Started painting the panels. So 3 meters, two 3 meters of 41 by 41, and then 2 3 meters of 41 by something or other, 30 odd. So they're going to be my cross members, and they're going to run down the van, and then they're going to run across both of them, if you get me. I'll show you when I get to it, but I'm going to just paint them for now. Nice satin black. So let me see if I can show you. I've got 2 pieces of electrical conduit running down the roof, look, one on each side. And now I'm going to put cross members on. So yeah, and now I'm going to put cross members across. So yeah, big up. Jungle is massive. I'll insert a couple of pictures when it's done and that as well, and show you. I'll take some from bedroom window or something. So yes, now that's roof rack done. Not that it's going to carry a lot, it's just solar panels and stuff like that. Didn't film much of it, but I'll leave in the description the materials I used and where I got them from. So yeah, please like, subscribe, all that kind of, ring the bell, do for furky, all that, and we'll see you next one, boys and girls. Big up, Young Liz Massive.